Hi, friends. It's Donzella from at Miss Donzella Cooks, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. My day is starting out very well. We have a nice, beautiful, sunny day here today. But today, friends, I'm making an easy, flavorful lunch, or you can have this for dinner. It's budget friendly and lower in sodium. What I'm making today is this easy, low sodium taco burger on a whole wheat bun. And what I've done, I have my seasoned taco meat that I cooked with, I added onion and bell pepper to my ground turkey. You can use ground beef. And the way I seasoned it was with this Mrs. Dash taco seasoning, and it's no salt. And then I used a little bit of Mrs. Dash Southwest Chipotle, and it's salt-free seasoning. And I also used some salt-free Mrs. Dash table blend. It has a little bit of everything in it. And to the turkey meat, I added some onion powder, garlic powder, and just a little bit of this Lawry's seasoning salt. And so that is what I put in my taco meat and put it on a whole wheat bun. And here I have some cheese that I have melted on my bun. And to this, I'm going to add a slice of tomato to my taco burger. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of this ranch dressing over the top of the tomato. And then we have our bun with some melted cheese on it. Use any type of cheese that you want. You can make this with ground turkey or ground beef. I made mine with ground turkey. And for this, I've added a few tortilla chips. And I will also add a little fruit cup to my lunch or dinner. This is an easy, simple dinner or lunch. Easy to fix, budget friendly. And I will cut this in half and let you see what we look like. It's almost like a sloppy Joe, but I used seasoned uh, ground turkey, and I used my Mrs. Dash taco seasoning. And this is what we have. So this is our lunch, dinner, simple, easy, budget friendly, flavorful, your whole family can enjoy. So friends, if you like easy, budget friendly recipes, I'd love for you to join me in my kitchen at Miss Donzella Cooks, my YouTube channel. And we can cook easy, budget friendly, low sodium, heart healthy dishes together. And friends, I hope you're having a wonderful day. And if you're feeling stressed or anxious, remember that each day is a new day, and look at it as an opportunity for fresh insight and possibility. And know that hold on to your faith. We may not see um, what our blessing is coming when we're in dealing with trials and tribulations, but know that blessings will come as long as you hold on to your faith and don't let go. Okay, friends, again, I hope you have a wonderful, blessed day. And again, if you like easy, low sodium, budget friendly recipes, I'd love for you to join me in my kitchen and my YouTube channel at Miss Donzella Cooks. Thank you again to all my subscribers and people that have stopped by to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up. I'd love for you to join me in my kitchen and have a very blessed day again, friends. Thank you.